Hey everyone, my name is Deepak, and today I'll be telling you the step-by-step process of how you can create drone shot of any person. So what I've done, I've created a wonderful video prompt. This is a video prompt. So what I will do, I will just copy this prompt. I will head over to Flow TV. I will select the frames to video option, and I will just upload a pic of a girl. I will just crop and save, and let the pic be uploaded. Get uploaded. I will paste the prompt by that time. It is uploading. We'll wait. Simply I will hit on generate. This is very trending, so that's why I thought why not cover this topic in today's video. By that time, what I will do, I will just go to Gemini and I will just upload my pic. 1 minute. I'll just take my pic. I'll just copy this image. I'll just save it. I'll just save it. I'll go to Flow TV. I will upload this pic. I'll select the portrait option. I'll crop and save, and I will just paste the prompt. Let the pic be uploaded. The video is getting generated. It takes time. Yeah, the video is ready. Now let's see. Hmm. Video got generated. It's a very good video. Little bit the face got changed, but don't worry. Sometimes AI tools don't take the face properly. By that time, what I'll do, I'll share a website with all of you, which I came recently came across for banana prompts, nano banana. I will just yeah. This is the website I would like to share with all of you. Bananaprompts.xyz. You can take image prompts. See, all type of image prompts are there. See, various categories are there: realistic, anime, architecture, cartoon, portrait, photography. Means all categories are covered in this. So this is a very good website. You just have to copy the prompt, paste it on Nano Banana, upload your pic, and just hit on generate. You're good to go. My video has been generated. Now let's see what kind of video has been generated. Let's see. Good video, I would say. So this was the website I would like to share with you. That's it from my side, and thank you for listening.